Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see a full Alleppey houseboat trip. We can reach Alleppey from different parts of Kerala by car, bus or train. We started our trip near from Pallathuruthy Bridge in Alleppey. Alleppey Houseboat Day-Night Cruise is a unique experience. We checked into the boat at 12 p.m. When we checked in, we will be greeted with a welcome drink. Then we can enjoy and relax. Cruising slowly through the backwaters and village areas, we can closely view the life of villagers. It passes Pallathuruthy and Vembanad Lake. Friends, already we made a houseboat.We video. We are providing the link in the description box. You can watch it to know about the houseboat. There were two people with us on the boat. One is the captain and the other is a helper who cooks for us and acts as the caretaker. Still drinking water in the boat from RO plant in the middle of the journey. In the middle of the journey, we got down from the boat and explored a village at the side of the lake. On the way, we can enjoy the cool breeze, paddy fields, coconut trees, etc. It feels like as if we have entered a time warp. Each house has a boat in which residents travel to different places, just like how we use cars to travel everywhere. houses and schools on either sides of the lake. While traveling, they were preparing delicious food in the boat kitchen for lunch. On the way, we saw different birds like duck, snakebird, and etc. While traveling, we saw temporary bridges like Jankar to transport construction materials from one side of the lake to other side. It was a different experience. For lunch, they stopped in a place and served us with freshly prepared fish fry, melagu parati, papad, rice, sambar, etc. After lunch, the boat continued cruising through backwaters surrounded by lush green palm trees with green waters. Government passenger boat services make regular runs like public buses. There are boat jetties like bus stops to get in and out of the boat. People use these boats as their major mode of transport here. There are shops selling different fishes in the side. If we buy and give, they'll prepare according to our taste in the boat. We bought prawns from that shop and they made it ready for us. bank of the lake, we interacted with the villagers. We saw children catching fishes. See, very easily they got the fish. Then we continued our journey. There we saw lots of houseboats with tourists in the lake. We took lots of photos and videos. In the evening, they served us tea and banana fritters, freshly prepared in the boat. The houseboat stopped near a village after 5 pm, up to next day 7 am. If we want, we can go out for sightseeing and shopping, and then return back to the boat. We went for a walk to a nearby paddy field and saw the traditional pumping system that they use to maintain the water level in paddy fields, and saw local people fishing there. After that, we came back to the boat. For night, they prepared and gave us for dinner chapati, rice, chicken curry, dal curry, prawn fry, for which we bought the prawn on the way. We slept on the boat, and next day morning we had a wonderful breakfast on the boat and started the cruise 7 am and enjoyed the beauty again. There are day-night cruise and day cruise. We selected day-night cruise. Day cruise will start from 11 am and stop at 5 pm usually. boat captain Shaji and Manu. They were friendly and made our trip memorable. We checked out at 9 a.m. in the morning, the same place where we checked in. The trip was mesmerizing. You should try it at least once in your lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Like, share and comment so that we are motivated.